A reading from the letter of St. Paul to Colossians, chapter 3, verses 23 and 24. Whatever your task, put yourself into it, as done for the Lord and not for human masters. Since you know that from the Lord you will receive the inheritance as your reward. Success is not always about greatness. It is about consistency. Consistent hard work leads to success. Dear friends, today I would like to speak about industry, diligence, and perseverance, which are the keystones to success. All the three words can be coined into one single word, that is hard work. Even though these words are almost similar in their meanings, there are certain differences. When we go into its meaning, industry means it's an aspect of working very hard. Diligence is a dedicated or careful effort or work, whereas perseverance is the persistence in doing something despite difficulty or delay in success. The road to success is not easy to navigate, but with the perseverance and hard work, we can traverse the road of success. Success is not accident, but it is hard work, perseverance, and sacrifice. In Bible, we find many persons who are the real examples of perseverance. They held on to their faith even amidst of all their difficulties. One of the examples from the Old Testament is Job. In spite of all his sufferings, he did not stop believing in God and keeping his trust in Him. So, Job is considered as a great example of perseverance. Job persisted in his faith, and God restored his health and blessed him abundantly. When we come to the New Testament, we see St. Paul preaching the word of God. He had to flee from many cities, was attacked, arrested and accused, and even he suffered assassination attempts. But still he continued to preach the word of God until his death. In the cases of both St. Paul and Job, we see they loved God and that love helped them to endure. So the first step in achieving our goal is loving the God. Love has a massive power which can change the situations and things. If you have love towards whatever you do, then you will do it with commitment, and that commitment will help you to persist till the end. No matter whatever talents you have, it is all about hard work and perseverance. No matter if we fail, failure should be our textbook to learn again and to correct and to try again. The question here is, how can we develop the attitude of perseverance? First of all, I have already said, loving whatever is interesting, which will help us to accomplish our purpose and aim. Secondly, develop a positive attitude towards ourselves. That is to say, be optimistic to ourselves. Thirdly, regular practice makes perseverance easier, means practice is really necessary. Fourthly, we should remember our purpose in life. Always focus on what is our goal and what is our aim. Obstacles and difficulties are always there, so expect it and not to be upset even if you fail. Rather, stand up and fight again. That is the fifth point to be noted. So hope for good even at the time of hopelessness. Some people want it to happen. Some people wish it happen. Some people make it happen. So try to make it happen. If there is no pain, there is no gain. So every success is a result of hard work and commitment, and it is always painful. Let us find joy in completing our work by not getting stuck at pains that come in between. As Christians, to grow in hard work and perseverance, one thing we needed is faith in God. Some people call success as luck, but I would say it is the fruit of our immense trust in God. Let us trust in Lord and it will lead to hope, which will in turn help us to persevere and reach success. Pope Francis once said, perseverance can also be defined as patience. It is the ability to support, to remain faithful, even when the weight seems to become too big, unsustainable, and we are tempted to negatively judge and abandon everything and everyone. He also says that we must strive to imitate the perseverance and consolation of God, which not only gives us strength to keep going, but also to help others who are in difficulty. Let me conclude with a famous quote from the former President of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. All birds find a shelter during rain, but the eagle avoids the rain by flying above the clouds. Problems are common to all, but the attitude makes the differences. Thank you.